Monika Huppertz here of Whole Heart Energy Healing, and this is A Minute with Monika. Today's tip is from my free ebook called Simple Muscle Testing, which you can find at wholeheart8.coachesconsole.com. Hello and welcome again. Today I want to tell you a little bit more about the pendulum, how to use it, from section number 5 of my book, Simple Muscle Testing. Today I want to talk to you about being patient, and I want to talk to you about how you think about your answers for your pendulum. So one of the first things you might want to do is calibrate. Calibrate has to do with double checking that you are in alignment with your pendulums, showing you what is right. So I might start off by saying, show me yes. And my pendulum will swing front and back. Show me no, and my pendulum will swing side to side. Search for me, and my pendulum will go in a round and round circle. So in doing that, you're knowing that you have got the correct connection. You've already stated your intention with the prayer that I showed you yesterday, or intention, whatever you want to call it. So that's one way that you can use your pendulum at it being your ability to access it correctly, by knowing this is your yes, this is your no, and this is your maybe, or you are searching. I'd love to hear how you talk to your pendulum and what you do to get your pendulum calibrated. Thank you.